Let's move to the next question. So how can community-based groundwater management practices contribute to sustainable water resource management in India? Okay, so this is a good question. Now, India supports 17% of world's population, very good data, with only 4% of world's water resources. Excellent. This demands the usage of sustainable water resource management in India. Excellent introduction. Okay. Now, community-based groundwater management. Now, here you can add one of the report which was provided by Central Groundwater Authority of India.
Mm.
Okay. You might be knowing that they have provided a data that in India, there is almost 32% of the districts which are critical
Overexploited.
over exploited.
Mm.
Okay, so this was one of the data which was given by Central Groundwater Authority of India. Okay, so this will give you more insight about the groundwater management here. Okay, so here we are talking about certain regions. Okay, step tanks, Harpine, Eri, Zabu. Okay, so community water management leads to community cohesion towards the resource management. This leads to saving water. Okay. Then promote rules and regulations based protection of common property resources leads to water availability. Johad used with rules and limits. Okay. Avoids the usage of excess water. Okay. The community groundwater management helps in saving costs on individual water resource management. Delhi Resident Welfare Association creating integrated water management rain harvesting system. Okay. Community management of resource due to the sacred nature leads to more efficient usage. Okay, so sacred fund of tanks helped in water availability in Chitrakoot, UP. Okay, very good. So ponds, social capital. Okay, this is a very good word which is used. Social capital with environmental sustainability and divided cost of construction. So Zabo made along with the contours of slopes helping cost effective saving. Okay, very good. So water management requires community efforts to decrease the tragedy of commons. Okay, conclusion is good. But we haven't written any perspective here. So what perspective can be added?
I think it's the ecocentric approach.
Okay,
Ecocentric approach can be used here.
example of ecocentric approach.
Mm, all the construction that is done for like sustainably, we can use this here.
Bangalore Lake restoration is a current example.
Mhm.
There is one person who is called as the Lake Man of Bangalore. You might be knowing this. Okay. So 2 years back, there was a day when there was no water in Bangalore and the water was rushed from other cities into Bangalore. So after that, this person, he was seeing that how the mafias were working for the water for selling water. So he has restored more than 117 lakes in the vicinity of Bangalore so that Bangalore people should have availability of water. Okay. Second thing, what we can add here?
Welfare geography can be added. Welfare aspects.
Welfareism. Okay, this is giving the onus on the government. Okay, so if we talk about certain, because this is an Indian, this is from paper 2. Okay, so what I can see here, I can write certain schemes here. So schemes like
Atal Bhujal Yojana.
okay,
Then we can also write
Har Ghar Jal, Atal Bhujal Yojana.
Mm.
Okay. Then apart from this, if we look from the agricultural perspective, okay, so there is that is drip irrigation.
Mm.
Okay, so this is the part of welfareism. Then what we can add here? Okay, new malnutrition solution we need here.
Mm.
For example, when we talk about the groundwater resources, okay, there is a certain component of so total water. This is surface runoff, and this is
Groundwater.
groundwater. Okay, this is the total water or total water
Mm.
which is present over the land.
Mm.
So what has happened because of one part, that is concretization. Okay, here the component of the surface runoff it has increased, and the component of the groundwater it has decreased. So we need to have this blue-green infrastructure. Okay, this is one thing. Number two, what we need here, that is the sponge cities. Are you aware about the sponge cities?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can add this blue-green infrastructure, which helps in the conservation of water. And the sponge cities where the water is absorbed by the land, and it is taken into the groundwater. So it will help us to maintain this cycle of the groundwater and surface runoff. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
these are the basic perspectives which we can add here in the part of either solution or in the part of the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so here I'll be giving you 4.5 out of 10. Answer is good. Okay, answer is very good. You have written very good examples, but perspective is missing.
Mm.
See, one thing, if you add very good number of perspective or models or theories or laws or cases, so you will get at least 60 to 65% of marks. Okay, you could have got here 6 out of 10 directly, but you are gaining 4.5 out of 10. Why? Just because of the lack of perspectives and models and theories.
Yes, sir.